I'm a filmmaker. Today, I use my camera for a dish both humble and refined. Gnocchi with herbs. Small dumplings lifted by basil and sage. A recipe where timing and texture decide everything, just like in film. Here are the essentials: potatoes, basil, sage, flour, and eggs. Each one matters. The potato gives the body, flour builds strength, eggs bind, basil adds brightness, and sage brings depth. Together, they balance softness with flavor. We begin by covering the potatoes with water, letting them cook slowly. Gentle heat keeps their starch intact, the secret to light gnocchi. Meanwhile, basil is washed, patted dry, and chopped into clean strips. This freshness cuts through the richness of potato, keeping the dish alive and balanced. Minutes later, a fork slides easily into the potato. Proof they are done. The skins are peeled while still warm. Peeling ensures the base blends smoothly with flour and egg, without rough pieces breaking the texture. Now comes the ricing, pressing the potato into fine strands. This keeps the gnocchi tender and airy. Chunks would make them heavy. At once, the chopped basil is folded into the warm potato mash. The warmth releases its perfume. By blending early, the herb flavors every bite, not just the surface. Soon after, flour and egg join the mixture, folded gently. Push too hard and the dough turns tough, like a scene rehearsed too many times. Flour provides structure. The egg acts as glue, holding everything in place. Off to the side, sage leaves crackle in hot oil until crisp. They add sharp contrast, a touch of bitterness against the soft dumplings. On the board, the dough is rolled into long ropes, then cut into small pieces. It's like trimming a reel into neat segments. A dusting of flour or semola keeps them from sticking, making each piece easy to handle. Each piece is rolled over a gnocchi board, ridges pressed in, then dusted. The grooves aren't decoration, they help the sauce cling, while semola keeps the gnocchi separate. Finally, they fall into simmering water, sinking first, then rising to the top. That rise is the signal. When they float, they are cooked through, soft inside, firm outside, ready to serve. In Italy, this dish is often served on Thursdays, a small ritual that marks the week. It's comfort food that brings people together, simple and celebratory at once. Filmmaking and cooking share the same truth. The smallest details decide everything. A heavy hand or rush take, and the story is lost. But when care and timing align, the result lingers, on the screen and on the tongue. See you for the next dish.